Cakes. My name's Amy. So with everything going on right now, I was thinking about some of the ingredients that I typically use that aren't really staple ingredients that everybody has in their pantry, like cream cheese and sour cream or Greek yogurt, that maybe you guys can't get right now or don't have. And so I am going to show you guys how to make it. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make some cream cheese. It's super simple. It takes about 20 minutes. So let's head over to the stove and I will show you guys how to make that right now. Okay, so we're going to take 4 cups of heavy cream, put it in a heavy bottom large sauce pot. So we're just going to boil this over medium heat. Actually, not boil. We're going to simmer this over medium heat. And once it comes to a simmer, we're going to add in 3 tablespoons of distilled vinegar, or you can do lemon juice, or you can do lime juice. Any kind of acid. We just want to curdle the milk, which I know sounds crazy, but we want to separate the milk into the curds and the whey, and we just want the curds to make our cream cheese. And this is going to make 8 ounces or 1 block of cream cheese. So I'm just going to continue to stir this and wait for it to simmer, and I'll come back when it is at a simmer stage. Alright, so now we're at a simmer and we're just going to add in our vinegar. Just make sure to add this a tablespoon at a time. And just stir it in before you add the next one. See how it's already starting to kind of get chunky? Kind of interesting how this process happens. Looks good enough to me, but we're gonna add a little more. And turn off the heat. Alright, so we're just going to bring over our curdled milk. I have a bowl with a sieve on top. And then you're going to lay in your cheesecloth, or I chose to use a nut milk bag. It's basically the same thing as cheesecloth, but it just has a little drawstring so you can squeeze it out better, which I like, so just to go with that. But and also you don't have any risk of the corners falling on you, and then it turns into a mess. Which it would turn into a mess with me, so. So we're just gonna let this sit for 15 minutes, just to let the whey drain off. Alright, the last thing we're gonna do is take our cream cheese mixture that's been sitting for 15 minutes, and we're going to put it in here. This is the bowl of my food processor. Put on the lid. And just process this smooth. now, as you can see, we have our cream cheese. I'm just going to transfer this to a different bowl and put it in the fridge for up to a week. But I'm going to be making a cheesecake with this that will be coming in a future episode. So subscribe and hit the bell notification so you don't miss that video. And also, if you guys had fun and you learned something, please give it a like down below. And also subscribe to the channel if you'd like to learn more things, make more messes, but make some absolutely delicious desserts with me. Thanks guys, bye!